the CTS-V, tuning the new JL VXI amp. I got Jeffrey over here. He's gonna show us about this tune software.
Yep.
Hang on 1 second.
All right, so we downloaded the Tune Express for iPhone. We got a Bluetooth adapter installed in the VXI. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select our amplifier. We're gonna hit OK. Right now it's gonna connect to our amplifier. We're gonna open project. This is all the settings for our new amplifier. So this is input settings. And this is gonna be amp setup here. So what I did real quick is I went in and I did some level settings, some output trim settings, set the crossover, set the low pass filter, and it's all real time. So as I'm doing this on my phone, I can hear and listen to all the settings and adjustments in real time. And then when you're done, you just exit out, transfer it, save project on your phone, replace that one with what I just did, done.
It's Jeffrey Cheek, Ron B, installing that VXI amplifier in the CTS-V.